We at the company try hard to provide our customers with precise solutions to resolve issues of stock management directly relevant to sales in a correct and detailed manner. There have been various issues due to sold out and insufficient inventory, reduction of work efficiency due to multiple concurrent jobs, and numbers of restrictions to consider in CCTV and RFID systems for resolving such issues. Until Polaris3D. Polaris3D provides modular indoor autonomous navigating solutions based on 3D maps, not requiring any additional infrastructure. The core of the solutions are ANS and out-of-stock detection plug-in. The company has developed a complicated sensor data board, a core technology of intelligent systems. It is possible to mount the ultralight and ultra-small product on any moving robot. And the product guarantees maximum efficiency with low power consumption. ANS, the core product of Polaris3D, is capable of implementing precise localization by converging artificial intelligence with three-dimensional position information system. The product is capable of precisely identifying people and structures in a supermarket crowded with people. Precision-improving technologies and technology of determining mobility, unique to Polaris3D, have realized safer and more robust driving. For example, materials that lasers penetrate through, such as wire nets and glass, are harder for 3D LiDAR to detect. However, the transversibility detection technology of Polaris3D overcomes these limitations. The out-of-stock detection plug-in analyzing display conditions of products is installed at various angles to acquire information of every empty display counter based on AI technology. Further, the product performs autonomous learning through interaction with ANS to detect empty display counters. In addition, the product analyzes conformity of planogram and detects products erroneously displayed to make the store a smart space. Information of empty display counters and required products collected by ANS and the display counter analysis plugin is transmitted in real time to the integrated control system to immediately provide such information to users. Users are allowed to simply identify models and quantities of required products on tablets to refill the products. The perfect solution provided by Polaris3D for promptly responding to new changes of supermarkets. The company will continue supplying products implementing a work environment of high efficiency, perfect spatial recognition, and smart driving with an infrastructure-free precise display counter analysis system, high capability module and precise driving to ensure the safety of both users and consumers. Further, the company will continue the progress of industry-specific plugins and ANS to provide you with surprising convenience whenever and wherever required in your daily life. Integrated solution of display counter analysis based on autonomous driving. Polaris3D.